Okay, well, we are analyzing graphs of functions and relations, chapter section 1-2. And here on example 2, we're being asked to estimate function values. Now, I've dropped in a screenshot of this guided practice that's over on page 14. And if this is a little bit hard to see on the screen, you can follow along with your book on page 14. This is example 2. This is at the very top of the page. So let's see what we got here. It says this is about stocks. An investor assessed the average daily value of a share of a certain stock over a 20-day period. The value of the stock can be approximated by using function notation, V over D. I mean, V of D, I should say, not over D, V of D. And we've got this function equation here that represents how this thing's graphed, and this is a bit of a bear. Let's see, 0.002 times d to the fourth power minus 0.11 times d to the third power plus 1.77 d squared minus 8.6 d plus 31 when d, the number of days, is between less than or equal to, it's greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 20. Oh, wonderful. Okay, so let's see what we're asked to do here. It says use the graph to estimate the value of the stock on the 10th day. Well, that doesn't seem too bad. So here we got day 10 right here. So we just go up here, and here, so here we got a point on the graph. I can zero in on it. Well, didn't hit it, did I? Try it again. Right about there. Okay, so that's a little bit above 30. It's between 30 and 36. And doesn't look like it's halfway there, which would be 33. So let's do an estimate that this is $32 a share on day 10. Then it's asked to confirm this algebraically, which means we would plug in 10 for D in this function equation, and I'm going to spare you the calculation of that because I have already done it, and I suppose that you should be able to do it too. You just drop in 10 for every place you see a D, raise it to the appropriate power, finish it off, and shazam, on day 10, the stock was actually equal to 32 degrees. So we've confirmed it algebraically on day 10. It is $32. All right, let's move to the next thing. It says use the graph to estimate the days during which the stock was valued at $30 a share. Well, let's see. I'm going along here on the graph. I'm looking up here at 30. Well, it looks like right here at day 0, and right at $30 a share. Here's day 0 right here. And between 8 and 10, but that's not 8. I'm going to say at day 0, and between days 9 and 10. And what else do we see? Right here, looks like maybe between days 15 and 16. So it looks like there's 3 points on the graph where the stock was pretty close to equaling $30 a share. Now, what I would want to do is then plug in 0, 9, 10, 15, and 16 into that equation. Or if I had already graphed it on my graphing calculator, I could then just go into my table and look for 0, 9, 10, 15, and 16. But again, I'm going to save you dropping in 0. Actually, I can, if I drop in 0 for D, I can see that on day 0 it was actually 31. $31 a share, or opened at $31 a share. So on day 0 it was 31. Day 9, when I plug it into that, put 9 in for D into that equation, I get 29.02 share price. On day 10, what do I get on day 10? Well, I've already done that, $32 a share. So between the 9th and the 10th day, it went from 29.02 to 32. Let's see, on day 15, I can see now here it's declining during this period. Day 15, it was actually $30.25 a share. And by the time we hit day 16, it's dropped down below $30 a share to $27.03. Okay, there we go. We're looking at a graph. We're estimating some values. We got a function equation. We plug in what our estimate is, confirm it. It just doesn't get much better than this, does it? Loads of fun.